Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to export contacts in iPhone. Let's start! So, there is actually a way now for you to export your contacts. You don't have to worry if, for example, if your device has been stolen or if you lost your phone and then there's no way for you to, get your contacts again. There's a way for you now to actually export them as long as you make sure that you've set it up in terms of having your iPhone sync with your iCloud, or you've set it up with either your Gmail account, or given like right now what I'm going to show you is how to export the contacts given that you've already set it up that your contacts is in sync with either iCloud or with other account that you have. So first things first, go to settings. Okay, so click on that one and then you go to contacts. So this is what I've mentioned to you earlier. When you look at the accounts, my contacts are actually in sync with my iCloud as well as my Gmail. So say for example, if I need to transfer to a new device, or if I upgraded my phone, if I purchase another one, and I don't need to go one by one and save it, there's actually a way for you to export that. So go back to the previous page and then you can see at the bottom portion that says import SIM contacts. So you click on that. Then you have an option here to import SIM contacts to accounts. So either do iCloud or Gmail. And that's actually a way for you to import basically all of your contacts if you want them to be saved in your Gmail or in your iCloud. Now, if you wanted to export already your contacts, you could actually do that by accessing this one right here. And then from that, you could already export all your contacts from your iCloud to your iPhone. So that's it. If you want to learn more about iPhone features, just subscribe to our channel. Please hit a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.